Scooter, what's up? Hey, Larry. What you doing, Fozzie? Get some? Oh, hey, buddy. Didn't bring enough for you, did I? I'm sorry. What's the matter, babies? All right, you sillies. I don't have any more. I don't. Come on, let's go. Hey, little baby, I'll be back. Brutal, brutal day. Hot. North Carolina is hot. Feel like temperature is like 110. Alright, you guys okay? Y'all got water still? Good, good. Been drinking your water? Yeah. You got a water, little guy? Oh, you got some too. Okay, okay. Just checking everybody out. You got some? Okay. There's the pool, of course, with the little dirty water. Water station. Gotta keep water stations up all around the yard. It's so hot. Covers. Yeah, man. We'll have none of that. Not on the video, bruh. Oh, come on now. I hate to hurt your style like that, but oh well.